name Jimmy, and today I will be showing you how to make the most easy banana bread in the world. And on the way, when I make the banana bread, I will be showing you 10 really cool facts about delicious bananas.
Banana power.
Fact number 1, the largest exporter of bananas is Ecuador. And now let's start making our banana bread. Now I'm going to put in my dry ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 cup sugar. 1 cup of sugar in. And you're going to need 1.5 cups of flour. So 1 cup, 1.5 cups in. Okay, now you're going to need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Smells really good. Okay, it's good. Now you're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salty, walty, pumpkin walty. I'm using pink salt. You don't have to use pink salt, but I'm using pink salt. Boom, in. I am going to have baking soda and 1 teaspoon. So in it goes. You don't want that much. You just want 1 teaspoon wingsu. Like that. Boom. In. Okay. Now we stir with banana. Let's stir. Wait, no, Mom, can you please pass me the spoon? Thank you. Now that I am starting to mix my dry ingredients, I will be telling you fact number 2. This banana wasn't meant look like this. The other kind is like smaller and it has seeds. This one, it's bigger and it doesn't have seeds. So, and I'll be showing you a picture of a real historical banana. This is what the original banana looked like. Ooh. I think this is good. Yes, this is good. And now we're going to add our wet ingredients. Eat. 1 egg in. Boom. 2 egg in. Now I'll be adding the butter. 1/4 butter. Pour. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It smells really good. 1 teaspoon. Boom. In. I will mix all these together. As I'm mixing, I will be telling you another fact. When bananas are shipped, they don't box them ripened because they think they'll overripe and then people won't want to buy them. So the banana place boxes, they keep them green until they arrive at their destination. Most bananas are exported using large cargo ships. Now I have mixed my dry ingredients and wet ingredients, I will be adding my bananas. Oh, hey! You're going to need to have over-ripened bananas. I will open these bananas like a true monkey. This one I'm not going to open like a true monkey because it ripped for me. What kind of key opens a banana? It's a monkey! I'll be taking this banana masher to mash up the bananas. Let me put this fork in here, and I will start to mash. Mom, can you get a close-up? While I'm mixing this, I will tell you health benefits of bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium. Whoa. Bananas are iron rich. Bananas give kids a really good energy, healthy boost. More mixing! Hooray! I'm gonna keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. Oh, this is so tiring. Now I have my banana mix perfect. Now we're going to pan my tiny dishes because I'm just gonna fill them halfway because when this stuff bakes, it rises. So it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So let's pan. So you don't want to do it really close because you don't really want it too panny because you're going to taste the pan. Good. Now that I put my pan on the bread making machines, that's what I call them, and now I'm going to add my banana mix. Halfway. Ooh. Move back. Ooh. I should put this down. And now I'm going to take this and lightly do this. To flatten it out. There we go. That's what it should look like. So let's pass that one off to the side. Now that all of the dishes are filled and flattened out, now I'll have my mom put the dishes with all the mix in the oven. I think these are going to be amazing and really tasty. Hey, I'm back from 30 minutes. They look scrumptious, delicious. And if you like this cooking video, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to never miss out on any more King Jimmy cooking videos. Time to test it out. I hope you had fun with this banana. And I hope you like this banana bread that I made so you can make. Peace.